This is not weird at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, 17 and 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. This is actually the number of subscribers I'm at. Alright? Here we go. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Congratulations, Wiibird, on 100 subscribers. I saw you on stream. You went insane, and legitimately, I'm not even kidding, this is 100 paper airplanes. You want to know how I made these? I'll show you how I made them. Alright, so if we take one of these, right, and we unfold them, I'll show you just how quality these are, right? So I started off with 1/4 of a regular piece of paper, did this, folded it like this, up like this, and just like this. I made 100 of those! and help from my sister. And she wanted a shout out for some reason. So yeah, shout out to her. I'm gonna go cry in a corner now.